Imagine yourself in this 2013 Nissan Pathfinder S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include CD player, 4-wheel disc brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers, driver airbag, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, and rear AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.